Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Security. When using ChatGPT for chatbot, ensuring security is an important aspect. Here are some best practices to consider for chatbot security. First is input validation. Implement input validation techniques to ensure that user inputs are validated and sanitized to prevent common security vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting attacks or code injections. Apply input whitelisting, blacklisting, and parameterize queries to mitigate risk. Next is access control. Implement role-based access control to enforce granular access permissions. Assign different roles to users and restrict access to certain functionalities or data based on their roles. Ensure that only authorized users can interact with the chatbot. Third is encryption. Encrypt sensitive data such as user credentials or personally identifiable informations, both in transit and at rest. Utilize secure communication protocols and encryption algorithms to protect data from unauthorized access. Fourth is secure storage. If your chatbot stores user data, follow best practices to secure data storage. Utilize databases with strong access controls and encryption for sensitive data. Regularly back up data and implement measures to prevent data leakage or unauthorized access. Last is regular updates and testing. Keep underlying software stock and dependencies up to date and with latest security patches. Regularly perform security testing, including vulnerability assessments and penetration testing, to identify and address potential security issues proactively. So by following these steps, you can enhance the security of your chatbot application and protect user data from potential threats or vulnerabilities. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!